Hi my dear students, welcome back again. In this lecture, we will be discussing the full maths paper of JEE Mains 2025 24th morning shift. We will go through each and every question, analyze all the concepts clearly and explore the best possible ways to solve the questions in the most efficient way. As usual, make sure you stay tuned till the end so that you don't miss any tricks and insights. Let's get started. We'll start with question number 1. So coming to first question, see this friends, it is from vectors. They have given A bar, B bar and C bar 3 coplanar vectors, and also they have given 2 more conditions. C bar is perpendicular to B bar and A bar dot C bar is equals to 5. We have to find the unknown vector C bar. So in this case what we do, let unknown vector C bar is equals to some xi plus yj plus zk. Many number of times we did this model. So now we'll use these 2 conditions. First condition is B bar dot C bar is equals to 0 because C bar is perpendicular to B bar. So from here we'll get one condition in xyz, that is 3x plus y minus z is equals to 0. Next condition is A bar dot C bar is equals to 5. A bar dot C bar is equals to 5 implies x plus 2y x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0. And one more condition, because there are 3 unknowns, so we need 3 equations. That condition is when 3 vectors are coplanar, the determinant of the component should be equals to 0. So C bar is xyz, A bar 1 2 3 and B bar is 3 1 minus 1. This should be equals to 0. So from here friends, x into minus 2 minus 3, that is minus 5x, next y of minus 1 minus 9 minus 10, but minus of, that is plus 10y, z of 1 minus 6 minus 5z is equals to 0. Take minus 5 common, so x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. This is equation 3. Now see friends, let this be 1, equation 2 and equation 3. If you add 1 and 3, from 1 and 3 what do we get? That is 1 is 3x plus y minus z equals to 0 and 3 is x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. So 3x 4x minus y is equals to 0. Let this be one equation in x and y. Again we do one thing, we will multiply this equation with 3. Second equation is x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 0 and multiply this equation with 3. So 3x minus 6y, 3x minus 6y plus 3z also equals to 0. Correct? This is here, it should be equals to 5. So this is nothing but which is equals to 5 here. So x plus 2y plus 3z is equals to 5, 3x minus 6y plus 3z is equals to 0. Now if I subtract these two friends, if we subtract these two, minus plus minus, so 3z minus 3z gets cancelled, x minus 3x is minus 2x, 2y plus 6y is plus 8y is equals to 5. So we have got minus 2x plus 8y and the other is, so from these two, now from these two, this is minus 2x plus 8y is equals to 5 and one is 4x minus y is equals to 0. So we have 2 equations now, 4x minus y is equals to 0 and the other is minus 2x plus 8y is equals to 5. Minus 2x plus 8y is equals to 5. From here we can say, multiply this equation with 2. So minus 4x plus 16y is equals to 10 and this equation is 4x minus y is equals to 0. Now if you add these two, 16y minus y which is 15y is equals to 10, y is equals to 10 by 15. Okay, let y be 10 by 15. Now 4x is equals to y, x is equals to 10 by 15 means x 5 2s are 5 3s are. Now x is equals to y by 4, that is nothing but 2 by 3 into 1 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are, x is equals to 1 by 6. Instead, we'll write this as 4 by 6 because so that denominators we can take common. Now put x and y in z in one equation to get z. We'll put in first equation 3x plus y minus z is equals to 0. We have 3x plus y minus z is equals to 0. 3x, that is 3 by 6, 1 by 2, y plus 2 by 3 minus z is equals to 0. So 3 ones 4s, 7 by 6, z is equals to, we have got 7 by 6. So from here friends, now c bar is equals to, take 1 by 6 out, that is I plus 4j plus 7k. We have got c bar. Now they are asking mod c bar. Mod c bar is 1 by 6 times 1 plus 16 plus 49. So that becomes 49, 50, 50 plus 16, root 66. So that is nothing but clearly root over 11 by 6. So the answer is option 4, root over 11 by 6. See, this question from vectors we did many number of times. I personally remember many number of times. Next, second question from definite integration. Many we call it as beta formula, or we can use Wallis formula also to solve this. So for that, instead of doing this directly friends, we can put x is equals to sine square theta. If x is equals to sine square theta, dx is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta into d theta, correct? Now I of m comma n is equals to, if x is 0, theta is also 0. If x is 1, theta is pi by 2. So 0 to pi by 2, x power m minus 1. See, for dx is 2 out. X power m minus 1 means sine square power m minus 1. Sine power 2m minus 2. But sine power 2m minus 2 into sine theta. So sine power 2m minus 1 theta. Okay. Sine power 2m minus 1 into cos power 1 minus x square. See, 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta power n minus 1. So cos power 2n minus 2. But into cos we have. So again cos power also 2n minus 1 theta friends. Cos power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. Okay. So this is what I m comma n. That's it. Now this is the most interesting and easiest thing. So if it is m, here it should be 2m minus 1. N 2n minus 1. Now based on the given things, what is they are asking us to find I of 9 comma 14. I 9 comma 14. See, 2 times 0 to pi by 2. Just to put m equals to 9. 9 to is 18 minus 1. So this is sine power 17 theta into cos power 14 to is 28 minus 1, 27 theta d theta. In the same way, I of next one is 10 comma 13. 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine power 2 tens 20 minus 1, 19 theta into cos power 13 to is 26 minus 1, 25 theta d theta. Now if I add these two friends, if I add these two, I of 9 comma 14 plus I of 10 comma 13 is equals to 2 times of 0 to pi by 2. From these two I can take sine power 17 theta common. From these two I can take cos power 25 theta common. Of here it will be left over with sine square theta plus cos square theta, which is nothing but 1 friends. So clearly now, what is the sum of these two? So that is I 9 comma 14 plus I 10 comma 13 is equals to twice 0 to pi by 2 sine power 17 theta into cos power 25 theta d theta. But what is this? This is clearly I of this we can write it as 17, we can write it as 2 into 9 minus 1. 9 to is 18 minus 1. And this we can write it as 2 into 13 minus 1. So this is clearly I 9 comma 13. So therefore I 9 comma 14 plus I 10 comma 13 is equals to I of 9, 13, which is option 4. Very good question. Please kindly remember this. It is one of the important. Or we can solve, instead of substituting, we can solve directly by using beta formula also. Anything of your choice. Next question. F mapping from r minus 0 to r be a function such that f of x. See friends, reciprocal function. Many times we have seen. The moment we see this, what we do? We just put in place of x as 1 by x. We put 1 by x in place of x. So that is, we'll get one equation, f of 1 by x minus 6 times f of x minus 6 times f of x is equals to 35x by 3 minus 5 by 2. This is one equation. What is the other equation which was given? F of x minus 6 times f of 1 by x. This is given equation. This is equals to 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2. Okay. So now we have to solve these two and eliminate f of 1 by x. For that, we have to multiply first equation with 6 friends. So if we multiply the first equation with 6, 6 times f of 1 by x minus 36 times f of x is equals to 35 2s. So 70x, correct on, 3 1s, 3 2s, 35 2 70 minus 5 3s 15. So that becomes, now just what to do? Add them. If you add them, f of x minus 36, that is minus 35 times f of x is equals to 70x plus 35 by 3x, and this is minus 5 by 2 minus 15. That is 15 plus 5 by 2, how much? 15 2 is 30, 35 by 2, that is minus 35 by 2. Divide by 35, then we get minus of f of x is equals to 2x plus 1 by 3x minus 1 by 2. So from here f of x will be equals to, from here finally we have got f of x. What is our f of x? Clearly f of x is equals to, f of x is equals to minus 1 by 3x minus 2x minus 1 by 3x minus 2x plus 1 by 2. Okay. So now they are asking us to find the limit value. Achha. Limit value. So for that we'll apply limit. Limit extends to 0, 1 by alpha x plus f of x. What is f of x? 1 by 2 minus 2x minus 1 by 3x. They said is some beta. Beta is some finite value. See, this is equals to some beta. If beta to be finite, see friends, when you put x equals to 0, 1 by 0 infinity, again infinity. So this term should be removed. 1 by alpha x and 1 by x term should be removed. To remove that 1 by x, alpha should be equals to 3 friends. Clear now? Alpha is directly equals to 3. Yeah? Because if alpha is 3, 1 by 3x minus 1 by 3x will be cancelled. Then only this will be finite. Now, if alpha is 3, this will be cancelled and x equals to 0, it is 1 by 2. Therefore, beta is equals to 1 by 2. Now, we have got alpha value, we have got beta value. They are asking us to alpha plus 2 beta. That is 3 plus 1. This is equals to 4. Option 3. Very simple and good question from limits. Next question. Sn is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 and so on 1 by 20. If you are good enough with the telescope of series, the moment you see this, you will understand this by using method of difference. First, I will try to manipulate this, rearrange the terms. 2 we can write it as 1 into 2 plus 1 by 6 is 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 5. So and so on. Nth term will be n into n plus 1. Clear now? So clearly, now Sn is equals to, we can write this as 2 minus 1 by 1 into 2 plus 3 minus 2 by 2 into 3, 4 minus 3 by 3 into 4 and so on, n plus 1 minus n divided by n into n plus 1. So in that case, you will get Sn is equals to 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and so on, 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. See this, friends? So Sn is equals to now 1 minus 1 by n plus 1, which is equals to n plus 1 minus 1, that is n divided by n plus 1. Okay, so we have got Sn now. Now they have given something S2025. What is S2025? S2025 is equals to 2025 by 2026. That's it. Direct one it is. 2025 divided by 2026. Now let's come to the problem. If the sum of first 6 terms of an AP, now come to the different phase, there is an AP. For that AP, there is an AP. For that AP, what is the first term? First term with first term minus P and common difference P. A is equals to minus P and common difference P. They have given sum of first 6 terms. Sum of first 6 terms is root over 2026 into this S2025. Okay, so we'll denote that as some S dash 6 is equals to, generally S dash 6 is 6 by 2 into 2a minus 2p plus 5d 5p. 6 by 2 is 3 times 3p, which is equals to 9p. So this 9p should be equals to root over 2026 into S2025. What is our S2025? Which is 2025 by 2026. So this is equals to root 2026 into 2025 divided by 2026. 26 gets cancelled, which is equals to 45. Therefore 9p is equals to 45. P is equals to 5, friends. Done. What they are asking, then the absolute difference of 20th and 15th terms. 20th and 15th terms. So that is A20 minus A15, absolute difference. It shouldn't be negative. So that is what they mean. What is A20 generally? A plus 19D minus of A plus 15th term only. Yeah? 15th term only. Yes, 15th term only. A plus 14D. So AA gets cancelled. 19 minus 14, which is 5D, and D is already 5. So this is equals to 25. That's it. This is 25, friends. So the answer is option 1. So here the most important part is not AP, this telescopic series. If you can able to rearrange the terms and get, by using method of difference, if you can able to simplify Sn, that itself is our solution. Next question. F of x given the value of, see friends, many times we have seen this, a very good question from functions, very good question from functions. So whenever we have seen questions like a power x by a power x plus root a, almost belong to that particular category only. Here f of x is equals to, first let's simplify this f of x. 2 power x plus 2 is 2 power x into 2 square. 2 square is 4, no? So 4 into 2 power x plus 16 divided by 2 power 2x plus 1, that is 2 into 2 power 2x plus 2 power 4 is 16. 16 into 2 power x plus 32. You can take 4 common. 4 of 2 power x plus 4 divided by, take 2 common, 2 power 2x plus 32 means 16. This 8 we can write it as 2 into 2 power x into 4. I hope you are getting me now. See, when I take 2 common, it is 8. That 8 I have rearranged it as 2 into 4. See, now numerator is 4 into 2 power x plus 4 divided by denominator is, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, which is nothing but 2 power x plus 4 whole square. So these two gets cancelled, friends. Now f of x is clearly, f of x is equals to 2 divided by 2 power x plus 4. Now generally for the functions like f of x as a power x by a power x plus root a, for all these functions what we do generally, f of x and immediately f of 1 minus x. Why? Because x plus 1 minus x resulting 1. If you add two numbers, there we are getting result as 1. But if you see, if you add the first term and the last one, 1 by 15 and 59 by 15, this is not resulting 1. What it is resulting? 1 by 15 plus 59 by 15 is 1 plus 59, 60 by 15, which is 4. Okay, so now you need this is f of x and this is 4 minus x. This is, see, if this is f of 1 by 15, this is 4 minus 1 by 15. When you are adding them, you are getting result as 4, no? So once you get f of x, immediately get f of 4 minus x. F of 4 minus x. That is nothing but 2 divided by 2 power 4 minus x is 2 power 4 divided by 2 power x. 4 minus x is 2 power x divided by 2 power x. 2 power 4 divided plus 4. So that is nothing but 2 into 2 power x divided by 2 power 4 is 16 plus 4 into 2 power x. You can take 4 out. So if you take that 4 out, now what we get? F of x is equals to, we have f of x is equals to 2 into 2 power x divided by 16 plus 4 into 2 power x. 16 plus 4 into 2 power x. So that becomes, see this friends now, that becomes, you can take 4 common in the denominator, 4 times of 2 power x plus 4, 2 into 2 power x. So 2 ones, 2 twos, that is nothing but f of 4 minus x. This is equals to f of 4 minus x. So this is equals to 2 power x divided by 2 into 2 power x plus 4. Now if we add f of x and f of 4 minus x, that means whenever you are adding two elements where sum of the two elements is 4, generally what do you get result? The result is, here it is 2 by 2 power x plus 4, 2 by 2 power x plus 4 plus 2 power x divided by 2 by 2 power x plus 4. Here also for LCM will multiply 2 by 2. So then what we get? This is clearly equals to 1 by 2. See, 2 into 2 power x plus 4 will be LCM, 2 plus 2 power x numerator, only left over is 1 by 2, which is equals to 1 by 2. So whenever you add two elements such that the input value sum is 4, then the result is 1 by 2 friends. Okay, now we'll come back to this. So that is f of 1 by 15 plus f of 59 by 15 is 1 by 2. In the same way, f of 2 by 15 plus f of 58 by 15 is again 1 by 2. F of 3 by 15 plus f of 57 by 15 is again 1 by 2. So in that way you get how many pairs? 59, no? Total 59 terms. Half of them. So 58 plus 1. So 58 by 2. That is 29 terms you get. 29 pairs and 1 will be left over. What will be that leftover term? That leftover term is f of 30 by 15. F of, see guys, 1 f of 1 by 15 plus f of 59 divided by 15 is equals to 1 by 2. In the same way, f of 2 by 15 plus f of 58 divided by 15. Why it is 1 by 2? Because it is x. If you take this as x as 1 by 15, 4 minus x is 59 by 15, and that is what we have proved. So for every f of x plus f of 4 minus x, the result is always 1 by 2. This also 1 by 2. So till where? Till you get f of 29 divided by 15, f of 29 divided by 15 plus f of 31 divided by 15. See, 29 plus 31, again 60 by 15, which is 4. This will also be 1 by 2. Now in between these two, f of 30 by 15 is alone now. This is alone. 30 by 15 is generally f of 2. So you get 29 pairs of 1 by 2, correct? So 29 pairs of 1 by 2. That means the result is 29 times 1 by 2 plus f of 2. What is f of 2? F of 2 will put it in f of x. F of x is, now f of x is equals to 2 by 2 power x plus 4, no? Put x equals to 2. 2 by 2 square is 4. So that is 2 by 4 plus 4, 8. 2 by 8 which is equals to 1 by 4. F of 2 is 1 by 4 now. F of 2 is 1 by 4. So this plus 1 by 4. That's it. So this is what our result. 29 times 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 29 times 1 by 2. The result that they are asking is, then it is equals to 8 times they are asking. Acha, 8 times 29 times 1 by 2, that is 29 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So this is equals to now 29 into 4 plus 2. 9 4s 36, 36 plus 2 108, which is answer 108. Clear ma? Because 29 4s are 34s are 120, 120 minus 4 you subtract, which is equals to 29 4s are. So 9 4s 36, 9 4s 36, 4 2s 8, 8 plus 3 11, 116 plus 2 which is 118. The answer is 118. Answer is 118. Option A, which is 118. 29 into 4 plus 2. So the answer is 118, friends. Okay, don't get mistaken. I multiplied these two, so the last digit is 8. I thought it is 108. The answer is 118. So here we have seen such type of questions, friends. The only thing that we are supposed to do is first identify f of x and identify whether should we have to take f of x plus f of 1 minus x or f of x plus f of 2 minus x. That all depends on the values that they have given. Clear? So the result is 118. Next question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation 2z square minus 3z minus 2i is equals to 0, where I is root minus 1, then 16 times real part of that into, so same complex number, 16 times real part of this into imaginary part of that is equals to what? First we will try to simplify this. See guys, 2 times of z square minus I is equals to 3z. Get z to this side. Z square by z is z minus I by z is equals to 3 by 2. Clear? Z minus I by z is 3 by 2. As alpha and beta both are the roots, so you can put z is equals to alpha. Alpha minus I by alpha is equals to 3 by 2. Squaring on both sides. So if we square it on both sides, alpha square, I by alpha whole square is minus 1 by alpha square minus 2i is equals to 9 by 4 is equals to 9 by 4. So we have got again alpha square minus 1 by alpha square is equals to 9 by 4 plus 2i. Okay. Now again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides. Again squaring on both sides, then we get alpha power 4. 1 by alpha square whole square will be 1 by alpha power 4 minus 2. This is equals to how much? 9 by 4 plus 2i whole square is 81 by 16. 2i whole square minus 2 square minus 4 plus 2 into 2i into 9 by 4. So this is equals to alpha power plus 1 by alpha power 4 is equals to 81 by 16 minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 plus 9i. So from here 81 minus 32. 81 minus 32 is 49. 49 by 16 plus 9i. So clearly friends, this is alpha power 4 plus 1 by alpha power 4. Even if you put z is equals to beta here, we would have got the same result. So that means even beta power 4 plus 1 by beta power 4 is also equals to 49 by 16 plus 9i. Okay? Chalo. Now what we have actually, we have alpha power 19 plus beta power 19 plus 11 by 15. plus alpha power 11 plus beta power 11 divided by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15. Now, as the denominator is, we are having 15s. See guys, from these two, we can take, if we take alpha power 15 common, this will be alpha power 4 plus 1 by alpha power 4. Correct now? Plus from these two, if I take beta power 15 common, this will be same, beta power 4 plus 1 by beta power 4 whole divided by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15. But alpha power 4 plus 1 by 4 and beta power 4 plus 1 by beta power 4 are same, which is equals to 49 by 16 plus 9i, which is equals to 49 by 16 plus 9i. So that means you can take alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 of 49 divided by 16 plus 9i whole divided by alpha power 15 plus beta power 15. So clearly this complex number is nothing but 49 by 16 plus 9i. What is the real part of this? Real part of this is 49 by 16 and imaginary part is 9. They are asking us to 16 times real part of this into imaginary part of this. So 16 times this, 16 into 16 gets cancelled. Now 49 9 ja, which is 441 friends. Answer is 441. 49 into 9, which is equals to 441 is the answer. Good question. 49 9 ja 441. That's it. Next question. Limit extends to 0. Again a question from limits boss. Previously we have seen a question including both combination of functions and limits. Now let's see trigonometry and limits. Limit extends to 0. So whenever you have root functions, the first thing that we do is we rationalize it. So that is limit x tends to 0. Cosecant x we don't have any formula, so we write it as 1 by sin x. 2 cos, we rationalize the numerator. When we rationalize the numerator, that becomes 2 cos square x plus 3 cos x minus cos square x minus sin x minus 4 divided by, you will get this plus this. So actually when it is plus, you don't have any problem with it. So directly put x equals to 0. 2 cos 0, that is 2 plus 3 root 5 plus root 5, which is equals to 2 root 5 friends. Why to write again? So just I have written it directly. Now 2, that becomes limit extends to 0, 1 by sin x times 2 cos square x, 2 cos square x minus cos square x, that is cos square x plus 3 cos x minus 4 whole minus sin x. I would like to separate sin x divided by 2 root 5 as usual. Now limit extends to 0. We can factorize this as cos x plus 4 into 4 cos x minus 1. That is cos x minus 1 whole minus sin x divided by sin x into 2 root 5. Sin x into 2 root 5. Okay, we will do one thing. We can use the formula cos x, 1 minus cos x as 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2. So if you use that, limit extends to 0, cos x plus 4, cos x plus 4 into 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 minus sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Sin x value is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. In the same way, this 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 into 2 root 5. See, 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2, 2 sin x by 2. Now put x equals to 0. We won't be having any problem. So sin x by 2 into something which will be 0 minus cos 0 1 divided by cos 0 1 into 2 root 5. This is equals to minus 1 by 2 root 5 friends. Answer is minus 1 by 2 root 5. Next, let in a triangle ABC the length of the side AC be 6. The vertex, we have seen the same question in previous papers also, I guess in 23. So in a triangle ABC, length of side AC is 6. Vertex B is 1, 2, 3 and the vertices A comma C lie on a line. See guys, vertices A comma C lie on a line. Now this line is our x minus 6 by 3 is equals to y minus 7 by 2 is equals to z minus 7 by minus 2. We'll take vertices A and C on this and B somewhere here. We have got one triangle ABC. This is our B and point B also given, which is 1 comma 2 comma 3. Now what they are asking us to find? Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is half into base into height. Half into base is AC. AC already you know, which is equals to 6. You should know height. For that height you have drawn a perpendicular from B to AC. Let's say this is M. So regular formula. Suppose if this is equals to some T, for some T, for some real number T, the coordinates of M will be 3T plus 6, comma 2T plus 7, comma minus 2T plus 7, minus 2T plus 7. Now DRs of BM, DRs of BM will be, DRs of BM will be 2T 3T plus 6 minus 1, that is 3T plus 5, comma 2T plus 7 minus 2, 2T plus 5, minus 2T plus 4. So BM is perpendicular, same as usual, same story friends. BM perpendicular to L, which implies 3 into this, 3 3s are 90 plus 15, 2 times 2T, 2 2s are 40 plus 10 minus 2, 40 minus 8 is equals to 0. 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 4 17T, 15 35, 35 minus 8, sorry 25 minus 8, again plus 17 is equals to 0. Clearly T is minus 1. Therefore you get M now. What will be M? Put T is equals to minus 1. 3T plus 6, that is 6 minus 3, 3, 7 minus 2, 5, 7 plus 2, 9, 7 plus 2, 9. Now find the length of BM. If you know 2 points, you can get BM. So BM is equals to, or directly you can substitute it. BM is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 whole square is 4. 5 minus 2 plus 9. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 is 6 square, 36. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 plus 9, which is equals to 7 units. So base is 6. Area of triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base 6, height is 7, which is equals to 21 square units, boss. Option 2, which is 21 square units. Simple question, but good question. Next question from differential equations. I think it is a very good and direct question. LDE, xy minus y is y of x, solution of the differential equation. I do one thing. So 1 plus x square into dy, will take everything to the other side. That becomes 5x square into root over 1 plus x square minus xy into dx. So that implies dy, I do dy by dx, first plus xy, get this xy to this side, plus divide by 1 plus x square is equals to 5x square. Root over 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square will be root over 1 plus x square. Now this is our LDE in y. So directly what we do, we'll find integrating factor. IF is equals to e raised to integral p dx, that is x by 1 plus x square dx. What we do, we multiply and divide by 2. So this is nothing but e power half log of denominator. So that is clearly root over 1 plus x square. IF we got. Okay. Next, after getting IF, what we do? Solution is now y into if, that is y into root over 1 plus x square is equals to integral q 5x square divided by root over 1 plus x square into root over 1 plus x square into root over 1 plus x square dx. So root 1 plus x square gets cancelled. Therefore solution is finally y into under root 1 plus x square is equals to 5 times x cube by 3 plus c. To get this c, they have given y of 0 is 0. So if you put 0 is equals to 0 plus c, which implies c is 0. Therefore what is the solution now? Solution is y into root over 1 plus x square is equals to 5x cube by 3 only. Now they are asking y value when x is root 3. So put x equals to root 3, which implies 1 plus 3, 4, so that is 2 is equals to 5 into 3 root 3 divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled. Y is equals to 5 times root 3 by 2. Y is equals to 5 times root 3 by 2, which is 1, friends. Option 1. Good question. Simple question only. Like it's a CBSE question. Next question. We are done with differential equations. Next. Let the product of the focal distances, a question from geometry conic sections, focal distances of the point root 3 comma 1 by 2 on the ellipse. This is what? Horizontal ellipse, a greater than b. So first, what is focal distance? Focal distance from a point, let x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 is an ellipse with a point on the ellipse is root 3 comma 1 by 2. Then in that case, what is focal distance? Focal distance from a point is a plus ex1 and a minus ex1. So they have given product of the corresponding product of the focal distances. This is equals to what? 7 by 4. First step. This should be the first step, friends. So this is clearly a square minus e square into x1 square. But what is x1 square? x1 square is 3. Root 3 whole square, no? Which is equals to 7 by 4. So a square is equals to 7 by 4 plus 3 e square. From here we get 4a square is equals to 7 plus 4 3 is a 12 e square. Okay, one equation. Next, see this is a point on the ellipse, na? Root 3 comma 1 by 2 is a point on the ellipse. Then only we will find focal distance. That is what meaning. Focal distance means the distance from any point on the ellipse to focus. SP by PM is equals to E, no? So that is nothing but, now put x equals to root 3. 3 by a square plus 1 by 4 into b square is equals to 1. But we know b square is equals to a square into 1 minus e square. Let's substitute that here. 3 by a square plus 1 by 4a square into 1 minus e square is equals to 1. Yes, so that implies we'll take LCM. 4 3s are 12 into 1 minus e square plus 1 is equals to 4a square times 1 minus e square. We have taken LCM. When we multiplied and divided by 4, 3 4s are 12. Multiplied and divided with 1 minus e square plus 1. So 12, 1 are 12 minus, so that is 13 minus 12 e square. 13 minus 12 e square is equals to, what is 4a square? 4a square is already 7 plus 12 e square. 7 plus 12 e square into 1 minus e square. Now we will be getting a biquadratic equation in EMA. So we do one thing. We can take e square is equals to t, and proceed. Now if you solve this, I am writing it directly. If we solve this equation, you will be getting two values for E, eccentricity, which are nothing but one is root 3 by 2 and the other is root over 2 by 3. root 3 by 2 and root over 2 by 3. Sir, what to do? Put e square is equals to some t. You will be getting a quadratic equation in t. Solve for t. Okay. So that t is nothing but now e square now. Okay. So e square is equals to, you will be getting, from there you will be getting two values for e. So these two are the values for e. E is equals to root 3 by 2 and root over 2 by 3. Then what the absolute differences of the ellipses? Absolute differences. That is, now we have got two values for e now. E is equals to, one is root 3 by 2 and the other is e is equals to root over 2 by 3. So absolute difference means root 3 by 2 minus root over 2 by 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 3 is the answer. 3 minus 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 3, which is option 3. Clear? It's simple, friends. This is the step where it becomes lengthy, but put e square is equals to 2, you'll be getting a quadratic equation in t. Then solve for t, you'll be getting values. So t is nothing but now e square. Once you get e square, you get e. Next question. A and B alternatively throw a pair of dice. Infinite GP question from probability. Many times we have seen this. There are very good questions. Even in 2024 we have seen this. 23 also. PYQs also many times we have discussed. A and B alternatively throw a pair of dice. A wins if he throws a sum of 5. What are all the cases to get sum 5 ma? Sum 5 means 1 4 4 1, 2 3 3 2. That's it. So probability of getting sum 5 means 4 by 36, which is equals to 1 by 9. Okay. Now B throws a sum of 8. Sum 8 means 1 no 2 6 6 2. Next 5 3 3 5. Next 4 4. So probability of getting sum 8 is equals to 5 by 36. Okay, let's see now. And B wins if he throws sum before see, A wins if he throws a sum of 5 before B throws a 6, and B wins if he throws 8 before A throws 5. The probability that A wins if A makes the first throw. If A makes the first, they have given. See, what is the probability, required probability A winning the game is nothing but, so first A started the game. A started the game. If the sum is shown 5, then he is the winner. So starting itself. Okay. So that is nothing but 1 by 9. Or what are all the other cases? Second case is A started the game. He has to lose it now. If he wins, this is one itself. Okay. Now A has to start the game. He shouldn't get 5 now. He shouldn't get 5 means this is 8 by 9. Clear? 8 by 9. Next, B will take the lead. B should not get the sum as 8, because if B gets 8, he will win the game will stop. But our required probability is A winning the game. That is, A should not get 8 means the probability is 31 by 36. And again, A will be getting the chance. In that case, A should win. So that is 1 by 9. I hope you are getting me, friends. So in the same way, you will be getting this extends till infinity. So this is an infinite GP with the first term. Infinite GP with the first term as 1 by 9, and R is equals to 8 by 9 into 31 by 36. Okay. So A by 1 minus R. The result is S infinity. So required probability is A by 1 minus R. That is 1 by 9 divided by 1 minus, see, 4 2s are 4 9s are. So this we can write it as 31 2s are 62 by 9 9s are 81. 1 by 9 by 81 minus 62 divided by 81. 9 1s are 9 9s are. So 9 goes to the numerator. 81 minus 62 is 19 now. 81 minus 61 is 20. So minus 62, 19. 9 by 19 is the answer, friends. This is not something new, which we know it many number of times. Clear? Answer is 9 by 19, which is option 2. Next question. Consider the region. This is something which is different, but is actually easy if you understand what is the graph, what is the curve which is given there? Y is equals to 9 minus 11 by 3 x square is a parabola which is a downward parabola. Okay, so y is equals to 9 minus 11 by 3 x square. This is a downward parabola, and y is equals to x is anyhow straight line. So first I do one thing. I'll draw y is equals to x line. So this is what our y is equals to x line. Next, y is equals to 9 minus 11 by 3 x square means for sure it is a downward parabola. Clear? It will be like this. So for sure this is going to intersect at both t, no? So let's say suppose okay, let it intersects at one particular point. Now what they are actually asking, the area of the largest rectangle of sides parallel to the coordinate axis. Sides parallel to the coordinate axis means like this. Largest rectangle. This should be maximized. So area of the rectangle should be maximized. This is the rectangle now. Now first, let's say at a particular point, let's say if x is t, y will also be t here, because this line is our y is equals to x. If x is t, y will also be t. Okay. Now if x is t, put x equals to t in this. What will be y value? 9 minus 11 by 3 t square. The point will be here is 9 minus t comma 9 minus 11 by 3 t square. Now what is the area of this rectangle? Generally area of the rectangle is length into breadth. Area is length into breadth. Okay, suppose length, if you take this as length, what is length? From here to here it is t into breadth, this minus this, because it is sides are parallel to coordinate axis. So 9 minus 11 by 3 t square minus t. 9 minus 11 by 3 t square minus t. Friends, this is done. Let this be a function in t now. Okay, so f of t is equals to, now this is what our area function, f of t is equals to 9t minus t square minus 11 by 3 t cube. Okay, now what we need? Area to be maximized. For that, first f dash t is equals to 0. So what is f dash t? 9 minus 2t minus 11t square. We equate it to 0. So that is 11t square plus 2t minus 9 is equals to 0. Clearly t is equals to minus 1. T is equals to minus 1. See, by trial and error, if t is equals to minus 1, becomes 0, and product of the roots minus 1 into something should be equals to minus 11 by, that is nothing but other root will be 9 by 11. One is minus 1, the other is 9 by 11, friends. Okay, so now at which point we get maximum? We'll know at which point f of t is maximum. We'll be knowing by using second derivative test. If we do f double dash t, see friends, if we do f double dash t, that is minus 2 minus 11 to the minus 22t. Clearly at x equals to minus 1 it is positive, and at x equals to 9 by 11 it is negative. That means we get maximum at x equals to 9, at t is equals to 9 by 11. Correct? So f of t is maximum at t is equals to 9 by 11. That's it. Now our required area, we need our required area. Okay, so what is our f of t now? That is area is equals to t into 9 minus 11 by 3 t square minus t. Put t is equals to 9 by 11. So area, maximum area is equals to 9 by 11 into 9 minus 11 by 3 into 9 by 11 whole square. 81 by 121 minus 9 by 11. So 11 ja ho gaya, 3 1 ja 3, 27 ja. So we get 9 by 11. This will be how much now? 9 minus 27 by 11 minus 9 by 11. So clearly 9 by 11 into 9 minus 27 plus 9, which is minus 36 by 11. So 9 by 11 into 11 9s are 99 minus 36, which is 63 by 11. 9 into 63, which is nothing but 567 by 121. So 567 divided by 121 is our answer. Option 3. Question is looking complex, friends, but see what we did here. We have just drawn, and even drawing also necessary only for visualizing it. That's it. So if x is t, y will also be t, as the axis, as the sides are parallel to the coordinate axis. So if this is t, this will also be t, then corresponding y value you will get if you put x equals to t in the graph function. I hope you have understood. A simple question from maximum minima, and a concept of areas also included, but we didn't take any areas. Areas means integration, but we didn't take any applications of integration in this. Only it's a concept of maximum minima. Next question. The area of the region x comma y such that y is equals to, one curve is y is equals to x square plus 4x plus 2. We can y is equals to x square plus 4x plus 4 minus 2. See, this we can write it as y is equals to x plus 2 whole square minus 2. And the other is y is equals to mod of x plus 2. Friends, we can do one thing. Instead of drawing it as taking the vertex as minus 2 comma minus 2, we do one thing. We'll shift it. We'll shift the origin, so that we'll take x plus 2 is equals to some capital X. Put x plus 2 is equals to some capital X. We have shifted now. So y is equals to, it becomes x square minus 2. This is a standard curve, and y is equals to mod x, which is very standard curve. So by using this we can do this now. It's simple. Y is equals to x square minus 2 is clearly x square. See, y is equals to x square we know. Okay. Minus 2 means 2 units shifted downwards. So 0 minus, that means let's say this is the graph of y is equals to x square minus 2. Y is equals to x square minus 2. Next, mod x graph we know y is equals to mod x is. So this is the graph of y is equals to mod x. That means here it is y is equals to x, and here it is y is equals to minus x. Okay. So now the area of the region, that means this is the region that we are supposed to find. For that, so it's simple, like what to do. This particular point is if we put x equals to 2 square 4 minus 2. So this point is clearly 2 comma 2. Clearly this will be x will be minus 2 comma, if y x is minus, y will also be 2 again. So integrating from minus 2 to 2, minus 2 to 0, minus 2 to 0, line minus parabola, or you can take directly, you can write it as a is equals to twice where to where, from 0 to 2, line minus parabola. What is the line? Line is y is equals to x minus, what is parabola? Parabola is what is this parabola? X square minus 2, x square minus 2 whole dx. That's it. So area is equals to twice, for x it is x square by 2, minus x square it is minus x cube by 3, minus of minus 2 it is plus 2, so that is 2x from 0 to 2. Okay. So if we put a is equals to, that is twice 4 by 2, which is 2, minus 8 by 3 plus 2 2s are 4. Clearly 4 plus 2 6, 2 times of 6 minus 8 by 3, 18 minus 8, 10 by 3, 2 into 10 by 3, 20 by 3 square units, friends. It's simple. See, why we have got simple means we have shifted it. We have taken x plus 2 as capital X, new origin, new coordinate axis we have taken. If we take instead of x, just x plus 2, it would have become much complex, because see, y is equals to mod x plus 2 means somewhere we have to write like this, the graph. So this is good actually. Next case, answer is 20 by 3. Which option it is? Option 3, friends. Option 3, 20 by 3 square units. Next question. For a statistical data x1 to x10, there are 10 observations. Okay, a student obtained the mean as 5.5. Mean as 5.5. Okay, so what is mean? Mean is nothing but sigma xi divided by number of observations. So from here, sigma xi will be equals to 5.5 into 10, which is 55. Sum of observations. Then only 55 by 10 is 5.5. But see, later if we are noted the two values in the data incorrectly. So instead of 6, 8, he noted them as 4, 5. So this is nothing but what is our correct sigma xi? He will exclude this minus 4 and 5, add 6 and 8. Correct? So this you get 6 plus 8, 14. 14 minus 9, which is equals to 5. 55 plus 10, which is equals to 60. So sigma xi is 60. Now from here, mean is 60 by 10, which is equals to 6. 60 by 10, which is equals to 6. That's it. Okay. Next question. Sigma xi square. Also we'll find sigma xi square. Sigma xi square. Same story we'll do again. 371. Instead of see, he is not supposed to add 4 and 5, no. So we'll exclude this 4 square and 5 square. We'll add 6 square and 8 square. We'll get our correct data. 6 square plus 8 square is 100. 100 plus 371, 471 minus 25 minus 25 minus 16. So 471 minus 41, which is equals to 41 it is, no. 471 minus 41, which is 430. Clear? That's it. We have got these two. Now we need what? Variance. Variance. Sigma square is equals to sigma xi square divided by n minus x bar whole square. So sigma xi square is 430 divided by n. Divided by n is 10 minus x bar. X bar is 6 square. 6 is square is 36. So 43 minus 36, which is equals to 7, friends. Directly the answer is 7. Simple question, a very simple question from statistics. Next question, for some n not equals to 10, let the coefficients of 5th, 6th and 7th terms in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x whole power n plus 4 be in AP, then the largest coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n plus 4. See, let the coefficients of these terms. What is the coefficient of 5th term? That is n plus 4 C4. 6th term is n plus 4 C5 and n plus 4 C6. These three are in AP. If these three are in AP, the moment we see, we'll do 2 times of middle one. N plus 4 C5 is equals to sum of the extreme. N plus 4 C4 plus n plus 4 C6. We'll divide ma. 2 is equals to n plus 4 C4 divided by n plus 4 C5 plus n plus 4 C6 divided by n plus 4 C5. We know one formula. NCR divided by NCR minus 1 is n minus of r minus 1 divided by r. Okay. Now see this. So 2 is equals to clearly n plus 4. In place of n, we have n plus 4 minus 4, numerator 5, plus n plus 4 minus 4 divided by 6. So from here we will get 2 is equals to 5 by n plus n minus 1 by 6 ma. Clearly, see, if you clearly it is n equals to 3. From here we get n equals to 3 because 5 by 3 plus 2 by 6. 5 by 3 plus 2 by 6, which is nothing but 2 only. So clearly n equals to 3. Now what they are asking, then the largest coefficient in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n plus 4. Yeah, we have got n value, that is 1 plus x whole power, 3 plus 4 is 7. Largest coefficient, which is nothing but largest binomial coefficient is middle term only. What is middle term? Which is 7c3 or 7c4. So whether it is 7c3 or 7c4, the answer is 35. That is 7 into 6 into 5 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So which is 35, option 2, friends. Clear? Next question. The product of all the rational roots of the equation x square minus 9x plus 11 whole square, x square minus 9x plus 11 whole square plus minus x minus 4 into x minus 5 is x square minus 9x plus 5 4s are 20 minus 3, 20 minus 3, correct? 5 4s are 20 minus 3 is 17. No, sorry. So this will be x minus 4, that is nothing but x square minus 9x plus 20 whole minus 3 is equals to 0. This will be minus 23. We do one thing, we can see x square minus 9x term in both, no? So we'll take x square minus 9x is equals to some t. So that is t plus 11 whole square minus t plus 20 minus 3 is equals to 0. So t square plus 121 plus 22t minus t minus 20 minus 3 minus 23 is equals to 0. T square 22 minus t, this is nothing but 22 minus t is 21t. 121 minus 23 is 98 plus 98 is equals to 0. So we can clearly, it can be factorized as t plus 14 into t plus 11, t plus 7, 14 7 is 98. So what is t now? T is nothing but t is x square minus 9x. X square minus 9x plus 14 is equals to 0, or x square minus 9x plus 7 is equals to 0. So clearly x square, that is x minus 2 into x minus 7 is equals to 0. Here no rational roots. No rational roots. So there are two values now, x equals to 2 and 7. Now what is the product of the roots? Product of the roots is 2 7s are 14, friends. Answer is option 1, 14. Simple question. Next question. If the line passing through the points minus 1 to 1 and parallel to this line intersects another line, then the point P. First make sure whenever you come across a question from 3D, try to draw a diagram. If a line passing through this and parallel to this. So if this is some point P and parallel to this. Now let's say parallel. What is the line passing through P now? Line passing through P. Required line passing through P. Passing through P is directly x plus 1 by 2 is equals to, because this is point and drs we know. Y minus 2 by 3 is equals to z minus 1 by 4. This is the line. Okay. Let's say, see, this is our one line. Intersects this line at a point P. So no, we should not take P here. Let this be some Q. Required line passing through Q. Okay. Now there is another line. Another line is see, x plus 2 by 3 is equals to y minus 3 by 2 is equals to z minus 4 by 1, and this is our x plus 1 by 2 is equals to y minus 2 by 3 is equals to z minus 1 by 4. There are two lines. Now simple, we need to find point of intersection, ma. Then the distance of point P from, you can't take this as Q also. See, my God, you shouldn't take this as Q also. So let this be some m passing through m, required line passing through m, our required line. So this is point P. Now Q is somewhere here out. We need PQ, the distance, length of the line segment, PQ we need. First, for that, what we do? Like take this as some mu or lambda, first one. So 2 lambda minus 1, and if I take this as some mu, see, for point of intersection, for POI, what we do? We equate it. We equate the x coordinate of this. 2 lambda minus 1 should be equals to 3 mu minus 2, and 3 lambda plus 2 is equals to 2 mu plus 3. 2 mu plus 3. Now if I equate these two, what happens? 2 lambda is equals to 3 mu minus 1. Lambda is equals to 3 mu minus 1 divided by 2. So from here, 3 lambda is equals to 2 mu plus 1. 3 into 3 mu minus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 mu plus 1. So 3 3s are 6 mu, sorry, 9 mu, minus 3 is equals to 2 2s are 4 mu plus 2. 9 minus 4, 5 mu is equals to 5 mu 1. Put mu is equals to 1 in any one of the equation, we will get point P. Now what is point P, friends? Point P is clearly, if you put mu 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 2, 1, 2 plus 3, 5, 1 plus 4, 5. 1 comma 5 comma 5 and 4 comma minus 5 comma 1. We need the distance between the points 1, 5, 5, and what is Q? Q is 4 minus 5, 1. 4 comma minus 5 comma 1. So PQ is equals to 4 minus 1, 9, 5 plus 5, 25 plus 16. 16 plus 9 is 25, 25, 25, 50. So root 50 is 2 root 5. So the answer is 2 root 5, but we don't have 2 root 5. 4 minus 1, 9 square, 5 plus 5, 10 square, which is 20. 5 plus 5 is 10 square, 10 square which is 100, 10 square which is 100, 5 minus 1 which is 4, 5 minus 1, 4 square which is 16. So 9 plus 16, 25, this is under root 125, 125 is 5 root 5. So PQ is equals to 5 root 5, friends, which is option 4. Clear? Coming to the next question. Let the lines 3x minus 4y minus alpha is equals to 0, 8x minus 11y minus 13 is equals to 0, and these three are concurrent. Concurrent means 3 or more lines passing through the same point of intersection, belongs to the family of lines. Okay, if the image of point 1 comma 2, see this this is the line 2x minus 3y plus lambda is equals to 0. Image of this point 1 comma 2 with respect to this line is given as 57 by 13 comma minus 40 by 13. Okay, now what we need, first see the image of this, I mean the midpoint of these two, because this distance is equals to this distance, midpoint of this should be lie on this line, correct? So what is the midpoint M? So M will be, midpoint M will be 13 1s 13, 13 plus 57, 60, 13 plus 57, 60, 70. So 70, nothing but 35 by 13. X coordinate will be 35 by 13. And 13 2s are 26. 26 minus 40 is minus 14. Minus 14 minus 7 by 13. So this point will be lying on our this line now. Okay, so we'll substitute this point on this line first. If we substitute, what happens? 2 into 35, 70, plus 7 3s are 21, plus 13 lambda is equals to 0. So 13 lambda is equals to minus 91. 13 ones are, so lambda is equals to minus 7 now. Lambda is equals to minus 7. Okay, we have got this. Okay, next what to do? Acha, when we have lambda, now if these three lines are collinear, so the determinant of them should be equals to 0, no? Now see, we have got three lines. What is the first line? First line is 3x minus 4y minus alpha is equals to 0. 3x minus 4y minus alpha is equals to 0. Second line, 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equals to 0. 8x minus 11y minus 33 is equals to 0. And third line, lambda is equals to minus 7, you have to put that. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. 2x minus 3y minus 7 is equals to 0. Correct only, no? Lambda is plus lambda is minus 7. Okay. So, if these three lines are concurrent, these three are concurrent. Concurrent means they are passing through the same point of intersection. So, determinant of them should be equals to 0. 3 minus 4 minus alpha, 8 minus 11 minus 33, and 2 minus 3 minus 7 is equals to 0. If you expand the determinant, we will get alpha is equals to 13, friends. Alpha is equals to 13. That's it. So now what they are asking us to do, modulus of lambda into alpha. That is, they are just asking us to find 13 into 7, which is equals to 91. The answer is 91. Clear? Just expand the determinant and get the value of alpha. Next question, friends. In this question, if the system of equations 2x minus y plus z is equals to 0, they have given system of equations and asking us and informed us that they have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions means, so d is equals to d1 is equals to d2 is equals to d3 is equals to 0. All of them are equals to 0. That's it. Now first, what do you take? If I take d1, you see, we will be having lambda and mu, two unknowns, not good. Instead we take d3 is equals to 0. What is d3 now? Determinant of 2, 5, 100. Second one, minus 1, lambda, minus 47. 4, 12, 212. 4, 12 and 212. This is equals to 0. So friends, if you expand this determinant, this from here you get lambda is equals to minus 2. Just expand the determinant and we get lambda is equals to minus 2. Now, we put lambda is equals to minus 2 and we take capital like d is equals to 0. Now, what is d now? D will be 2, 500. D will be 2, 500 and minus 1. Lambda is minus 2, minus 47. Next, 1, 3 mu. 1, 3 mu is equals to 0. If we expand this determinant, from here we will be getting mu is equals to 53, friends. Okay? I'm just writing it directly because expanding the determinant, which we know it. Okay? Now, they are asking us to find mu minus 2 lambda, that is 53 plus 2 2s are 4, which is equals to 57, friends. Answer is 57. Next question. So, coming to numerical type, they have given a functional equation. Let me be a differential equation, such that not functional equation. It is clearly Leibniz rule. Differentiate both sides, friends. The moment you see, differentiate both sides. 2 times of x plus 2 whole square, that is 4 times of, first 4 times of, okay, we do one thing. 2 into, for x plus 2 whole square, it is 2 times of x plus 2 into f of x plus x plus 2 whole square into f dash x minus 3 2s are 6 times x plus 2. Leibniz rule. How do we do Leibniz rule? Put upper limit and then d by dx of upper limit minus lower limit, then d by dx of lower limit. So that is 10 times x plus 2 into f of x. X plus 2 into f of x. Okay. X plus 2 into f of x. That's it only, no? Correct. Into f. D by dx of x is 1. So from here, if you see this, 2 2s are 4. 4 times x plus 2 into f of x plus 2 times of x plus 2 whole square into f dash x minus 6 times x plus 2 is equals to 10 times x plus 2 into f of x. See here you have 4 times x plus 2 into f of x. So that goes to that side. That becomes 10 minus 4, it will be 6. So 2 times of x plus 2 whole square minus 6 times x plus 2 is equals to 6 times x plus 2 into f of x. X plus 2 into f of x. 2 x plus 2 gets cancelled. 2 times of x plus 2 whole square into f dash x it is. 2 times of x plus 2 whole square into f dash x. So this gets cancelled. Now we have got finally, we can 2 also can be cancelled. 2 ones are, that is, so x plus 2 into f dash x minus 3 is equals to 3 times f of x. Take x plus 2 into f dash x, let me write it as dy by dx is equals to 3 into f of x as y plus 3. So 3 times of y plus 1. Now x plus 2 into dy by dx is equals to 3 times of y plus 1. 3 times of y plus 1. So dy by y plus 1 is equals to 3 times of dx by x plus 2. Applying law, integrating both sides, log y plus 1 is equals to 3 times log of x plus 2 plus some log c. Okay, so clearly this will be now y plus 1 is equals to x plus 2 whole cube into c. This is the differential equation. That's it. Now to get this c, friends, put x equals to 0. If you put x equals to 0, see, 2 into 2 square is 4, 4 2s are 8. If you put x is equals to 0, just to put x equals to 0, 2 times of 4, 2 square is 4, 2 square 4 2s are 8, 8 into f of 0 minus 3 into 4 is equals to integral 0 to 0 means 0. So f of 0 is nothing but 12 by 8, 12 by 8, 4 3s are 4 2s are, which is equals to 3 by 2. F of 0 is 3 by 2, friends. F of 0 3 by 2 means if x is 0, y is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 plus 1, that is 5 by 2 is equals to 8 into c. So clearly c is equals to 5 by 16. Okay. Now we have got c value also. They are asking us to find f of 2. F of 2 means value of y when x is 2. Put x equals to 2. So y plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 64 into 5 by 16. 16 1s are 16 4s are. Y is equals to 5 4s are 20 minus 1, which is 19, friends. So clearly the value of y is 19. As this is numerical type, so the answer is 19. Answer is 19. Next question. For some alpha comma beta, we have seen the same question many number of times. Secant square of tan inverse alpha. What is secant square theta? 1 plus tan square theta. See, we know secant square theta is equals to 1 plus tan square theta. So and cosecant square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So directly we can write it as I am writing secant square of tan inverse alpha is 1 plus alpha square plus 1 plus beta square is equals to 36. Alpha square plus beta square is equals to alpha square plus beta square is equals to 34. And alpha plus 34, sorry. This is equals to 34. Alpha plus beta is equals to 8. 25 plus 9. Yes, that's it. Alpha, so clearly just by verification, alpha less than or equals to beta, no? So this is 3, this is 5. Alpha 3 plus 5, 8. 3 square 9 plus 25, which is 34. So alpha is equals to 3, beta is equals to 5. Just by verification, simple terms. They are asking alpha square plus beta. 9 plus 5, which is equals to 14. So the answer is 14, friends. Answer is 14. Next question. The number of 3-digit numbers that are divisible by 2 and 3 but not divisible by 4 and 9. Okay. First, total number of 3-digit numbers. Total number of 3-digit numbers that we have are 999 minus 99, which is equals to 900 3-digit numbers we have. Okay, starting from 100 to 999. Next, of these numbers divisible by, so of these 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 3 and 3, let A denote an event of numbers divisible by 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means LCM 6, no? So 900 we divide by 6, that is equals to 150. So out of 900 there will be 150 numbers which are divisible by 2 and 3, that is divisible by 6. Next, let B be an event. Number of numbers, how many numbers? Divisible by 4 and 9. Divisible by 4 and 9 means divisible by 36. 900 by 36, which is equals to 900 9 4s, which is 25. So now that means, and one more thing, friends, one more thing. All the numbers which are divisible by 36 will also be divisible by 6. So that means which are not, they are asking, no? So therefore required numbers, required 3-digit numbers is equals to 150 minus 25, which is equals to 125 is the answer. Answer is 125. 125. Next question, which is the last question, friends. Let S is equals to P1 to P10 be the set of first 10 prime numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. Okay. Let A is equals to, A denotes S union P, where P is the set of all possible product of distinct elements of S. P is the product of all the possible products of distinct elements of S. Okay, then the number of all ordered pairs x comma y such that x belongs to S and y belongs to S such that x divides y. So x divides y. X divides y. That means y by x should be an integer. Okay, y by x should be an integer. Is equals to k. So that is nothing but y is equals to kx. Okay. So the number of ways, that number of ordered pairs that we can form. Okay. See, friends. First, x belongs to S. In S we have 10 elements. Out of 10 elements, any one element can be taken in 10 C1 ways. And coming to y belongs to S union P. That too, x divides y, no? So already, now this number should not be taken. Whatever the number which is already taken here, out of 10, one number has already been taken. Okay? Now y belongs to S union P such that this should be any element among the remaining 9 elements. Any element from the remaining 9 elements. It can, A can be, y can be only one element of the 9, or any 2 elements from the 9 elements, or any 3 elements from the 9 elements, or you can take y because it is P denotes the set of all product of the elements of P no, product of the elements from S. That means Y can take no element from 9, or Y we can take Y as one element from 9, or two elements from 9, or three elements from 9. Even if we take three elements, the product will be only one, or and so on. 9C9, and this is sum of binomial coefficients, friends. That is 2 power 9. 2 power 9 is 512. 512 into 10, which is equals to 5120, is the answer. 5120 as the answer, friends. Clear? So with that, we are done with all the 25 questions from 24th morning paper, friends. I hope you have understood each and every question. Please make sure you practice at least twice so that you get a good grip on all the concepts that we have discussed. Okay, see you in the next session. Till then, take care. All the best.